Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by powering off and removing silicone tips. This exposes the ear cup seam. Once done, position the AirPod on a soft cloth with the mesh up so you can see the cup edge. Use a fingernail or plastic spudger at the seam's lowest point and pry gently while rotating. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid deforming the shell. You're separating adhesive, not breaking plastic, so small increments of movement work better than forceful pulls. Once the initial gap appears, continue around the rim in small increments. You want to gradually release the adhesive rather than rip it. If the cup resists, dab a tiny amount of isopropyl at the seam to soften glue and wait 30-60 seconds, then resume prying. Make sure you keep tools shallow. Don't insert deep toward the driver or flex cable. As you lift, note any clips releasing and pause to prevent tearing delicate ribbon cables attached to the speaker. When clips are free, lift the ear cup straight off to avoid snagging internal flex cables. Inspect the adhesive, clean surfaces with a 70% isopropyl wipe, and replace thin adhesive strips if reassembly is planned. To reattach, align clips and press firmly for 20 to 30 seconds to seat the seal. If you find a torn cable or the driver won't function after reassembly, stop and test components. A damaged flex or driver requires a replacement part or professional repair to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.